Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a convenient way to satisfy your hunger, you've got to try these CLIF Bars. These are the chocolate chip flavor.
I love these. I think they're the perfect snack to take on the go. I have them with me right now on the airplane, and I think they're perfect because they help to curb my hunger. They have around 10 grams of protein, and I also really like the taste of them. I like that they have real chocolate chips in them. They also have oatmeal and a lot of other great ingredients that I find help to keep me full. It's not a huge bar, but it is very packed with great ingredients. I like that it's not crunchy. It's nice and soft, almost like you'd find a soft cookie to be. So they don't make a mess. You can eat them wherever. And because they do pack a lot of protein, I think they would make not just a great travel snack, but I think they make a good breakfast if you're running and you're on the go and you need to grab something fast.
These bars are absolutely delicious. I really like them, and that's my point of view.